Evening, we're just down at the quayside in Weymouth and we're going to go hunting for dolphins and cruise ships, so come along for the ride. We were going out with Weymouth Rib Charter. They're already well known for their Bay Blast white knuckle rides where they race across the bay at speeds of up to 40 miles per hour. But now they're doing these bay cruise trips. It's about 45 minutes on the water and more of a sightseeing trip. Currently we've got 4 cruise ships sitting in the bay, and this is an ideal opportunity to get a close-up look at them. Also, we've had a pod of dolphins entertaining anyone on the water for most of the summer. This carries on from last summer when we had a regular visitor known locally as Danny the Dolphin, who'd swim right up the harbour and play with the boats coming in and out. Too bad he wasn't still there on Christmas Day when we swam across. Now that would really have been something.
It's so worth it. So worth it.
I'm happy now.
Yeah.
If you've seen any of my films before, then you're probably used to seeing me walking a bit of coast path. I haven't given up on that, but really my channel is about anything to do with the coast. I'm planning more trips out on the water, as well as coastal bike rides, coastal towels, and of course more coast path walking. So if seeing more of the West Country coastline appeals to you, then be sure to subscribe so you don't miss anything. 3 cruise ships and a pod of dolphins at play. I guess that's mission accomplished. But did we really enjoy it? Damn right we did. Thanks for watching, and see you again soon.